So let me tell you the reasons why I stopped dropshipping, and spoiler alert, I'm gonna start again. I've been trying to record this video for like the last hour and my energy is just not in it. But I'm recording every day of December and making a video every day of December. But I'm just trying to get myself into it because we're live. You're here. You're right where I wanted you. But I'm not here. And I want to talk to you about something extremely important. And it's about dropshipping. And it means a lot to me because I believe that dropshipping is still the future. Yes, dropshipping works. I created a dropshipping store, sold a product in like 2 days, but then I shut down my store. And I want to share with you the reason why I did that, because I feel like this information could help you avoid mistakes, help you become more successful in your dropshipping business. And hey, I need another video. So let's start setting the stage here. When it comes to the dropshipping videos online that you're probably watching, those aren't gonna cut it. I had to go and buy a course to figure out how to do dropshipping. A 20-hour course. I mean, truthfully, for a business, 20-hour course and you figure things out, that's actually a good investment. The information that the YouTubers are telling you in their like 10-minute videos is not enough for you to be successful. And I had to learn that the hard way. When you start dropshipping, you're gonna have to find a winning product. Something that's trending, something that's going to sell, something that people want and need and are interested in, and that is going to be hard. You gotta be on it. You gotta be on it. And I didn't know that signing up for this. In the dropshipping business, selling these cheap low products, they pop up, they deflate quickly. Things trend and then they disappear like that. And you wanna catch that bubble while it's inflating. So you gotta be in a position for you to find a winning product. You gotta build a store, you gotta create an ad, and you gotta be ready to hustle and get it out there. Because if you try to come in while it's deflated, you're not gonna make money. Shopify is a very simple tool that will help you create a professional looking website. I feel like that's the commercial. It's only partly true. The interface is simple. You can create something that you'll feel good about, but the reality is, if you don't understand how to get into the advanced side of Shopify, your website is going to look like everybody else's. And then after you create that website, you're gonna have to create the content that lives on the website. And that will take you time, and I wasn't ready for that. It's not going to be passive. Not yet. It's not gonna be passive because you're wearing all the hats in the company. Things become passive most times. There are exceptions, but things become passive when you're able to pass off responsibilities to other people who report to you. But if you are starting a dropshipping business and you're doing all the advertising, you're doing all the marketing, you're the one reaching out to influencers, you're the one doing everything. If you're still doing everything, this is not necessarily passive. And that was one thing that I wasn't ready to do. It's going to cost you some money to get set up. Set up good, set up properly, it's gonna cost you a little bit of money. Like 30 bucks a month or something like that is how much a Shopify account will cost you. You're gonna have to buy a domain. You're going to want to and should purchase additional apps, connect them to your website so that your website can outperform others. But those things, those features that you will want to add to your website are going to cost you a little bit of money. It's gonna cost you. Then you gotta think about the fact that you're reaching out to influencers. You're paying people to advertise for you. Maybe you're paying somebody to create a video for you. Maybe you're paying to get product in so you can make your own video. At the end of the day, it's gonna cost you some money. When you start off, hey, you better start Uber. You better be door dashing because it's gonna cost you a little bit of money. I don't want to scare you away from dropshipping. I believe that dropshipping is right for you. I believe that you could be successful at dropshipping. I believe that your products could sell overnight and you could be a massive success. However, I do want you to understand what you're getting into. You're not getting into a get quick rich scheme. You're gonna have to put in the work, you're gonna have to put in the time, you're gonna have to put in the effort. It's gonna suck. But when you win, when that product sells, it's gonna be worth it. I wish you success in your dropshipping business. Those are the reasons why I personally had to quit. But now that I know these things, you better believe I'm gonna do it again. Goodbye.